Allo Moves Review, my honest experience with this fitness platform. If you're into yoga, Pilates or fitness training from home, you've probably heard of Allo Moves. It's a streaming platform created by Allo Yoga, but is it worth the subscription? Here's my honest experience after using it daily for a month. Allo Moves offers a huge variety of classes from beginner yoga to advanced height workouts and mindfulness meditations. What I loved most is the production quality. Every video feels cinematic and the instructors are top-tier professionals who guide you clearly through every move. Most people get this wrong, they think it's just yoga. But Allo Moves has evolved into a complete fitness platform, covering mobility, strength, flexibility, and even self-care routines. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. You can download classes for offline use, which is perfect for travel. The personalized recommendations also adapt based on your goals, whether it's toning, stress relief, or balance. Price-wise, it's not the cheapest, but it's comparable to a single gym membership and you can work out anywhere. There's also a free trial, so you can explore before committing. The only drawback I noticed is that live classes are limited compared to competitors. Still, the on-demand library is vast enough to keep you motivated for months. In short, Allo Moves is perfect for anyone who values flexibility, quality instruction, and convenience. If you want to elevate your home workouts, this platform is absolutely worth it.